Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking ShibaSwap today, and in the event that you stake your tokens, we're going to show you the type of rewards you can receive. Let's take a look. All right, here we are on ShibaSwap.com. First thing we will do is connect our wallet, and we have a Coinbase. And now that the wallet is connected, in the top center is the current SHIB price, as well as the leash price and bone price. And you're familiar with this portion right here. This is what you went through to stake your tokens or bury, and now it is time to claim our returns. Come down to the wolf section here, farm tokens, and it should automatically load, as you can see here. And this is your cumulative bone rewards, and in our case, after 1 week of staking 1.7 billion tokens. We've got the 0.9182, which is the 33% available to use right now. We can withdraw it, we can stake it, or we could add it to the liquidity pool through the dig option or feature. And below that is our unwolfable rewards, and that is locked for 6 months. And the wolfable date is shown here, as well as the time. Yours will be different. So what I want to do is add this number to this number, and I'll use my calculator here, 0.9182, which is again my 33%, which is usable now, plus the unwolfable lock for 6 months, 1.86427, and that equals 2.78247 bone rewards after 1 week of staking. So I just wanted to show you that. Again, 1 week rewards after staking 1.7 billion tokens, and we will give you another update here at week 2. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would love that. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in a week.